Uh, Good evening, sir. My name is Mantisha Shaika and I am from Jamshedpur. I have done my matriculation from Netaji Subhas Public School and my intermediate from Karim City College. Currently, I am doing BCA from Netaji Subhas University. Since I'm in 6th class, I have come a long way in my journey where I'm still learning and exploring the fundamentals and basics of technical fields. I have some technical knowledge which include Java, HTML, CSS, and I have also, besides my technical knowledge, I have some hobbies. Hobbies for me, hobbies is something when things got tough. Then I used to do some. I used to watch animes and read some mangas. Yeah, that's all. Thank you, sir.
Okay. And Mantasa, if I'll say that you just describe yourself in a single word. So what will you say?
Actually, if I describe myself in a single word, I would say that I am a never. I didn't give up. Never give up a person.
Okay. Good.
Yes.
Okay. Good answer. So what's your strength?
Uh, my strength is like I said, I didn't give up. I always try, even if I fail. If I fail, then I learn from that failing point. I think that's my strength. I
Okay.
used to try everything, even I don't know.
Okay. Good. Good. And what's your weakness?
My weakness is that I didn't talk much in front of people, but I'm trying to cope with that also. So that's my weakness.
And what does that mean? How would you overcome from this?
Trying to connect with peoples and trying to talk with the peoples. I to hesitate too much when I talk in front of peoples, but currently I am trying. Yes.
Okay. 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 It's good. Okay. And what's your objective in your life?
Oh, what's my objective in life? So I think I want to explore and learn more and more where I'm working on and where I'm like basically what I'm doing. I want to explore new things in that subject. That is my goal in my life.
Okay. And what is your next year goal? Till next year goal means if I'd say that what instead of your long term goal, where do you see
Yes.
yourself in next 2 years?
uh, if I want to see myself in 2 years, like I want to do a job where I am good at and learn from my seniors, and yeah, that's all.
Okay.
I actually want to do the job in this field also. Yeah,
Okay. How do you differentiate a job and a business?
job and a business. In job, we got some task to do, but in business, uh, a person, if sir, actually, you're saying about like, what if I start my business,
Yes.
then
I-
differentiate or
If you are said that if you are said that you have to start a business,
uh,
what kind of business you'd like to start? Any idea?
okay, yes, sir, I want to start food business
Okay. And why is that?
because everyone like foods and people can't live without foods.
Okay.
That's why I
And
want to start that.
okay, so do you know about FSSAI, FSI?
Masai?
FSSAI, it's an organization.
Yes, sir, I know, but not know
Food Safety Standard
the.
Authority of India. So if you are giving any answer to start a food business, you must know about
Yes.
FSSAI. Okay. Okay. So
Okay, sir.
we'll move to the next question. Uh,
Yes.
what do you think? Which is an ideal job?
which is an ideal job. Uh, I think where we uh, yeah, are you talking about the ideal job? Are you talking about the environment, or in my perspective, what ideal job is?
Yes. Which is an ideal job from your perspective?
Okay, where we where the when we given any task, they the person who are giving us the task to do, they define that thing fully. Or if I don't know the task how to do, they would train me how to do it, and motivate me to do that job. And yeah, that's, I think that's an ideal job for me.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Good, Melissa. So next we'll move towards the technical question. Okay. It was good.
Okay,
You
sir.
have handled all the new questions in a very clever way. Good. Uh, what's a static variable?
Uh, Actually, I'm a bit confused in this question, static variable. But static
You
variable,
may answer this question in reference of any programming language with respect to any programming language. For example, if you are going to use static variable in Java, so how it will work?
uh, sir, actually, can you pass this question?
Yes, sure, not an issue.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. And what is a global variable?
Okay. Global variable is a variable which is declared outside the method, and it can be accessed by any methods. That is global variable.
Okay, good. What is a recursion?
Recursion is a function which call itself directly or indirectly. That is recursion.
Okay, any example?
Any example? Uh, Maybe matlab, any function which call itself directly or indirectly. That's recursion. Uh,
Okay. And
any
and if you are
example like,
okay, and if you are going to implement this recursion, which data
yes, sir.
structure you will use?
If I am going to implement this function, data show.
Which kind of data structure, or what will be the data structure that you will use?
Uh, Actually, I'm not able to answer this because I don't know.
Is this
That's
stack?
why. Stack, yeah. mm, Stack is last in first out data structure. Sorry,
Okay.
yeah, last in first.
And what do you mean by that last in first out?
In which the maybe if I take example about a processor processes, then maybe one process, two process, three process, four process. Like if we take example about a box, and in the box I put some books. So first book is in the last, and the last books which I have put on that box will come out first. That is last in first out.
Okay. And any other terminology that you know other than LIFO?
Yeah, FIFO, first in first out, that is Q.
Okay. Okay.
Yes.
So what are the different operations that is basically performed while implementing stack?
That is push and pop, where push is to adding any task or for process, and pop is to delete any
Okay.
task or process.
Okay. Okay. Good. What is an operating system?
Operating system is operating system is a software where which manages the computer hardware and software both,
Okay.
and
And
CPU also.
okay. And when it is loaded into memory, when it is loaded into computer?
when we start the computer first, at the booting point, it will load it in the memory.
Okay.
Yes.
One second. One second, please. ठीक है.
Okay, sir.
Okay. What do you mean by the context switching?
Switching between two or more tasks at the same time, that is context switching. Yeah, switching between two or more tasks.
Okay. And how it is helpful?
It is helpful because it gives all the processes all the processor time. It means like when we want to, like there are two process which want to execute at that time at the same time, so the CPU gives some times,
Okay. If you'll
so both are.
say, if I'd say that uh, thread is having some
Yes, sir.
priority, so what do you
uh,
mean by that priority?
what do you mean thread? मतलब,
Some priority is related with the thread. So what are the
yes,
different
sir.
kinds of priority which is generally used?
Which is, are you talking about maximum or
Yes.
minimum? But
Yes.
like I don't know the full answer.
Yes, yes.
But
It may be maximum priority, minimum priority, normal priority.
yes, sir.
In case of
Yes,
Java, the maximum priority having an integer value is 10, the minimum priority is having an integer value of 0, and the normal priority is having an integer value of 5. Okay, so
yes,
from
sir.
0 to 10, the priority ranges. Okay, not an issue.
Yes.
Uh, what is a non-preemptive scheduling?
Non-preemptive scheduling is it a process preempt fully.
Hmm.
A process preempt fully, that is non-primitive scheduling. It
And what is
doesn't wait for the. Yes, sir.
yes, yes, yes,
And
yes,
what is?
yes, yes, yes.
And yeah, if some process at that time, if some process came and the CPU executed that, that is non-primitive. That is primitive. Sorry, that is primitive.
Okay, good month, sir. Good answer. I got from your side. And the last question from my side is, what are the different types of memory?
Main memory. Uh, Main memory. Are you talking about a program
No,
like
no,
stack or
different
heap?
types of memory in operating system.
Main memory,
Mhm.
temporary memory, which
Okay.
includes sorry, temporary. I mean back secondary memory,
Okay.
and the yeah.
Cache.
I know this too. Just
Okay.
yeah.
What are the examples of that primary memory or main memory?
Examples. I know the primary memory has RAM and ROM.
Ah, it's good. Okay, Mansa, it
Yeah.
was good. Good from your side. Good effort. And
Yes.
I will share the marks or the percentage of marks that you have gained in this interview soon. Okay,
Okay, sir.
we disconnect. Okay,
Thank you.
thank you, Mansa. Okay.
Thank you.